conference.
Yeah, we're really excited to be here in Paris at TradeTech Europe. It's one of the largest conferences of its kind in the world, and we're happy to be back sponsoring and exhibiting over here. There's a lot of topics that are being discussed, new products, changes in liquidity, changes in market structure. All of that is really affecting how market participants are interacting with their counterparties. And we're hearing a lot about new topics such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing. There's a lot of excitement around technologies and how that's being applied to the financial markets. And those are some of the topics we've been hearing about. We're also hearing a lot about the regulatory environment, what the effects of MiFID II are, and of course, Brexit. So here in Europe, a lot of interesting things happening, and we're excited to be here. The IPC sales and marketing team, as well as our technical teams, we're all happy to be here representing the company at TradeTech Europe.
Excellent. Can you comment on the competitive advantage of IPC?
Yeah, we focus solely on the global financial markets, on capital markets, and that's our core competence. We're also very specialized in our knowledge of the financial markets and how they work, because we solely service the different market participants and markets around the world. We have global presence. We are present in over 6,400 market participant locations around the world, in over 60 countries, in over 700 cities. And this razor-sharp focus on the financial markets and serving their very exacting requirements and very demanding needs, that's what we're strong on. We're focused on customer service, follow the sun customer service around the world, and we pride ourselves on that. So it's our global footprint as well as our local knowledge of what's happening in various markets, and also the fact that we have a very diverse community of market participants on our network and our ecosystem. For example, we have pretty much every type of buy-side firm in our community, from the investment management community, pension funds to sovereign wealth funds, foundations, endowments, corporate treasuries, insurance companies, and family offices, as well as the broker-dealer community, prime brokers, and the investment banks. We have a very diverse group of market participants, and this is really important because we service a diverse range of trading intent and trading needs. And what we're also hearing here at the conference is the need for smarter workflows, automating trading workflows, and all of that can be facilitated only if you have a very diverse community with very differing trading needs, different liquidity horizons, and different investment requirements. So again, we're well positioned with the community thanks to our diverse financial ecosystem and the investments we're making in new and emerging technologies in natural language processing, artificial intelligence, voice speech recognition, and voice transcription, as well as in exciting areas like cryptocurrencies and blockchain.
Fantastic. Can you talk about where you feel the industry is evolving in the next few years?
Yeah, I mean, change is constant in our industry, as you know. The markets, we're seeing a lot of continued electronic trading beyond just equities. We're seeing it in other asset classes. Fixed income has transformed itself, especially products that are liquid, that are homogeneous and are standardized. They're all trading more electronically. So we do see that shift to electronic trading. We see voice communications as still being quite important in the marketplace, because people want to extract a lot of intelligence on voice communications, and many products themselves aren't liquid. They don't trade that frequently. They're not standardized. So we're always getting asked questions around how to support the over-the-counter market. So there's a lot of exciting things happening. I think blockchain, there's a lot of excitement and buzz around that. The entire cryptocurrency markets, I think that's an asset class that's of a lot of interest. And we're hearing a lot about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and how to apply all of this to our markets to extract a lot of intelligence.
Can you talk about the challenges of the industry and how IPC is meeting these challenges?
Yeah, so as I said, lots of challenges, especially around the changes in market structure, the regulatory environment, and business transformation that we're seeing in the markets. IPC is a leading provider for the financial markets in that we provide solutions for every possible use case that's out there in the trade lifecycle value chain. So no matter what your trading use cases, whether you're trading electronically or via voice, we enable you to communicate and switch channels wherever needed. So whether you're looking for collaborating across trading strategies, or you're looking for voice communications, or low latency trading or latency sensitive trading, accessing a community of services from trade lifecycle services to accessing market data, or just getting to your counterparties, different types of applications, accessing applications, we have a solution for you. And we also need business continuity and disaster recovery in today's markets, because markets are 24/7 and they don't sleep around the world. So we offer solutions for every type of use case that's there for financial market participants, and for every type of financial market participant, from the investment management community to hedge funds and asset managers, even private equity firms, to the broker-dealer community, the prime brokers, and the investment banks. So we're constantly looking to service our customers and adapt to their very exacting and demanding requirements.
Excellent. One last question. How are you finding the conference so far?
Excellent. Like always, TradeTech is a great event, and I hear that we've had record attendance this year here in Paris. A very, very broad group of companies, as well as technology providers. We're seeing a lot of fintech solutions being showcased over here. We're also seeing a lot of different types of firms. Industry leaders speak over here, lots of great content, thought leadership. We're also seeing attendance from not only everywhere in Europe, but also in the wider region, so beyond. We're seeing a lot of international attendance over here from beyond the European Union. So very, very interesting group of companies and people. It's been very productive for us, and our team France is also here, our sales and marketing team from France. We have representatives from London also. So really, really excited to be here, and it's been a very productive and very, very useful conference.